When the school groups arrive to Hunter's Yard, we do a health and safety briefing. This includes showing them how to put on a buoyancy aid, but also explaining why it is that they need to be wearing it through the day. We then get the group into the buoyancy aids so that they're ready to go out on the water. Next, we take them over to the Norfolk Wherry Trust. We show them some of the wood that's used for boat building. We take them to the Wherry Albion, which is an old trading wherry. When we're on the deck, we're showing them the rigging of the boat, the history of the rig, the colouring of the sails, also talking about how you can raise and lower the mast. Also the hold, we talk about the different cargoes that were carried by the wherry. Lastly, the cuddy, which is where the skipper and the mate would have lived. We bring the young people into the sheds, talk a little bit about changes of boat design and structures in history. We show them demonstrations of block and pulleys. So talk to them about purchase, so they actually get their hands on some ropes, pulling and seeing everything in action. We show them some old photos of the wherries sailing. We do different knot tying activities so that they're learning some of those skills that are going to be put in practice when they go sailing. They love anything that they get to get involved in. I think that it creates a very tactile way of learning. They are not afraid to make mistakes. They all kind of feed off each other's energy in this really beautiful way. We have certified skippers who instruct the young people in how to sail. These skippers get the boats ready in the morning so that the young people get as much time on the water as possible. Some of the young people are very nervous, so each skipper has a different approach. So our skippers will show them the experience they can expect to have, and they'll definitely read the young people and see what will put them at ease. And they end up loving the experience. They get involved with steering the boat and the jib sheets and controlling different aspects. The Broads is a beautiful and safe environment to learn to sail in. They can get a feel of how the boat moves, which I think builds confidence. They learn teamwork and communication, but also self-trust. There's so many life skills that we can gain from sailing. We'd love to welcome you aboard.